It was asked from Hazrat Imran bin Hussain, what is your view about a person listens to the verse of prostration and does not sit for it? He said, you think he must sit? It is as if he had not declared it essential for him. And Salman said, we did not come for this purpose. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu said, prostration is essential for him who hears it. Verse of prostration. Zuhri said, one must not perform the prostration without ablution. When you perform the prostration and you are resident, face the Qibla. But if you are mounted, there is no harm whatever direction you may face. And Sa'ib bin Yazid would not prostrate himself, hearing the verse of prostration from a storyteller. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, Rabia is one of the best people. When Rabia came to Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu, he was reciting chapter Nahl on the pulpit on Friday. When he reached the verse of prostration, he descended and performed the prostration, and the people also performed the prostration. Till when the next Friday came, he again recited the same chapter, and when he reached the verse of prostration, he said, we pass the verse of prostration. Whosoever has performed the prostration has done well, and whosoever has not performed the prostration, there is no harm for him. And Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu did not perform the prostration. Nafi added with reference to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did not declare the prostration obligatory, but if we wish. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1077.